Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie the Crafty DIY Guy. Welcome to my channel. Hey everybody, okay, in today's video, we're going to be doing a haul from a Closeout center. This is not like a Big Lots or like anything like that. This is legit a store that buys pallets of closeout items and they put them in this retail store that happens to be here kind of close to my home. And it's called Grandma's Attic. And it is the most unique, crazy, fun store. I found so many good brand name items. And all of the expiration dates on them are perfectly fine. And I thought it would be a different kind of a haul for you guys because I've never gone to any place like this. And I think it'd be great if you guys went and explored a place like this too. I originally started seeing some of them pop up on Facebook and they were like suggested to me. And then I happened to be driving to Dollar Tree and saw this one called Grandma's Attic that's in my neighborhood. And I was like, well, heck, why not check that out? And I went and I grabbed some really cool name brand stuff and I only spent like $20 on everything, which is crazy to me. So I will get into this haul in just a second, but I do want to say thank you, of course, to my subscribers. You guys know who you are as my OGs, my original gang. Thank you so much for being around. And, you know, if you're brand new to the channel, I do DIYs, I do shopping hauls, I do thrift flips, I do all kinds of fun stuff. And I hope that you enjoy the channel. All right, let's get into this because again, I'm freaking out. All right, so they had Schlitz Ginger Ale. And I've drank a little bit of this, that's why it's down like this, but I live by myself, it's okay. For this one anyway. They had this, you could buy one for $1, or you could buy a case. And the case was 8 bottles for $4. Guess what I did? You're right, I'm not gonna show you all 8 bottles, but I bought 8 bottles for $4 frickin'. And I personally love ginger ale with my bourbon. And I like regular ginger ale too. So that was crazy. The other thing that I grabbed, and I grabbed a couple of these, so I'm gonna get off camera real quick. I thought I put everything closer to me, but I didn't. So they had these Uncle Ben rice packages. And like these were $1 a piece. Or no, wait, they were 2 for $1. And so I bought the creamy 4 cheese. It's the rice with vermicelli. And then I bought the rice pilaf. And for me, being a single guy that doesn't like to cook all the time or doesn't cook like he should, these are a game changer because I can literally about 6 of them. I can literally just throw one of these in the microwave. In 90 seconds, I have a side dish that I can mix up with some broccoli or some grilled chicken. And I'm trying to like meal prep on Sunday. I don't know if you guys would be interested in seeing something like that. I'm going to be on a journey to lose some weight and to get a little healthier. And I'm kind of the opposite. A lot of people get in shape for the summer. Fall is like my jam. That's my favorite time of the year. That's when I like being out. That's when I like working out. I can go out, I can work out and go on a walk. I can go on a bike ride. I don't sweat my butt off. And, you know, I like it. But anyway, Uncle Ben's, like tons of Uncle Ben's. I paid $3 for these. That's crazy. The other thing they had that I don't know if it's going to be any good or not. I thought I would give it a try. Is this Speedy Sides by McCormick. And it's just a seasoning packet that's in there. And it comes in this container, which I assume is probably for the microwave. And, you know, you could take cauliflower rice. You could take cauliflower. You could do a lot of different stuff like this. I'm thinking about taking the seasoning mix. Because really, that's really kind of all it is. Seasoning mix. I'll put some cauliflower or broccoli in there. I'll use the container to kind of shake and cover it all up. And then I'm going to take that and put it in my air fryer and make like a crispy cauliflower side dish or something. So I don't know. I think that could be good. Check this out. Giant size of Colgate toothpaste. It's the 6 ounce. So maybe it's not giant size, but definitely bigger than the ones I've seen at Dollar Tree. And it was 50 cents. It was 50 freaking cents. And, I mean, I had to get it. The other thing that I grabbed, and I buy this. I have bought this I want to say I bought this either at Walmart or Target. I know I bought it at one of those places. The Aussie Freeze Spray. Like the Aussie Freeze Spray for this great hair right here. This was $1 each. $1 each for this. Now, there is a different kind of hairspray. I think it's in the black bottle that's, they sell it at Dollar Tree. I can't think of the name. I think it starts with an R. But it doesn't hold my hair. This holds my hair. And I really like this Aussie brand. And the freeze spray is fantastic. I drive a convertible. It is great when I put this on because I still have some convertible hair, but not quite as bad. The other thing I grabbed was this little thing of static guard. It was only 25 cents. 25 cents. This is such a great thing to carry around in like your bag or your purse. I have a backpack that I always carry. It's a leather backpack. It's very nice. And I keep stuff like this in there because especially in the fall, when stuff starts clinging and static is a real thing, and like you may be at work and then you walk in the office and then, you know, the I don't know what creates static, but whatever it is creates static. And then all of a sudden your pants are sticking to your shirt. Great thing to have. And it's easy to even throw in your desk. I don't know if you've seen it, if you're on TikTok at all. There is a kind of a thing going around on TikTok right now. And people are taking pasta. They are boiling the pasta, cooking it up, and then they are putting Italian seasoning and Parmesan cheese on it. And then they are taking the pasta and putting it in their air fryer and crisping it up. And it creates like a potato chip type of kind of snack. And I've been wanting to do that. I don't have any of this kind of pasta at home. And they had this pasta and it was $1. So I grabbed it. It's a pretty big bag of it. Actually, I think this one was 50 cents. It's a 16 ounce. So you can see why I didn't spend hardly any money. Like the prices were crazy. And again, all of the expiration dates on all this stuff is good. There's nothing wrong with the expiration dates. The other thing I grabbed was this thing of Febreeze. So this Febreeze has a wood scent. So it has amber and oud and cedar. And I love these fragrances. These scents, especially in candles or cologne, is my favorite kind of a scent. And they had this. Ooh, speaking of, what did I do with that? I gotta find it. There's something else I bought too, but I can't find it because I think I put it in the bathroom already. Rats. All right, so Febreeze, this was $1. This was $1. Febreze, it was $1. And this scent is gonna be so nice. This is that bootleg sofa I've been posting about on YouTube, or on Instagram, that's finally getting resolved soon. And I would spray it on that, but they're coming to pick this one up on Tuesday to bring my new one that's hopefully not broken, but that's a whole other video that's coming soon. The other thing they had was this Ortega taco pizza kit, which is super random. And you just add meat and toppings. So really it's just the crust. And I think there's some seasoning packaged in here. Let's see what it says. 2 pizza crusts. They're made with cornmeal. And then there is a taco seasoning packet and then a taco sauce packet. So you add, you know, your meat, your toppings and everything. It's essentially just a tortilla shell, but it was like 50 cents. So I figured why not? I could make like taco pizzas one night for dinner and that would be an easy kind of a snack to do. The next 2 things are like the biggest things that I grabbed. And sorry, I gotta go off camera to grab them. I have a Keurig. And I go through those little K-Cups a lot. And I found this Tully's coffee. And it's a 24 K-Cup pack. I bought 2 of them because they were $2 each. For $4, I got 48 K-Cups. Enough to last me over a month because I don't usually do a cup of coffee every day. But oh, look who's making an appearance by the yellow door there. Mr. Otis. Otis. Hi, baby. You can see his tail. But K-Cups, like they have all kinds of different ones. And, or I'm hoping that they'll have all kinds of different ones because that was a steal. All right, the next thing. I have enjoyed these so much. I just bought these yesterday. I've already drank like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7 left in this box. It's a 12-can box. Teavana tea. This is their infused craft tea. So they had this flavor, which is the Passion Tango. It's really good. It's like hibiscus and cinnamon, and then it's their Tango Passion tea. So it's infused with the cinnamon and the hibiscus. It's 12 cans. It is deliciously yummy. You can see I said I've already drank some. And then I also grabbed this flavor, which was the, it's a mango black tea, and it's with notes of tropical citrus. I have not had this one yet, but I think I'm gonna have this one right now. Because the other ones, what is it? What's going on there? The Passion Tango tea flavor, that's the first one that I had here, is so delicious. This one I'm hoping is really good because I like some of the citrus, you know, flavors and a lot of stuff generally. Let's see. Ooh, that's good. That's really good. So it's 80 calories. There's some sugar in it, but you'd almost expect that. But again, such a great thing to keep. I love to have all different kinds of drinks in my refrigerator at all times. And I find that when I am trying to focus on losing weight or losing some pounds, and if I have a lot of options that are healthy drink options in the refrigerator, sometimes that helps me because I can just grab that instead of a snack or trying to eat something or whatever. But anyway, that is my haul. And I spent $22 with the taxes and everything on this stuff. And I'm super, super excited about it because Teavana, that is a great, well-known brand. Ortega, Colgate, like the Uncle Ben's, the Febreeze, the Aussie products. And the other thing that I took to the bathroom, and I hate that I did that, was a men's cologne, and it was called Gents or something like that. And it was melon and citrus and something else, and it was like a 4-ounce bottle. It was $1.99. And I thought, well, for $1.99, I'll try it because I love my fragrances and my scents. And it is wonderful. I'm probably gonna go ahead and go back and grab a couple more bottles of it because I think it'd be really good for a stocking stuffer, maybe even for my dad or my brother-in-law. And I don't know. I just kind of want to go back and see if they got another truck, to be honest, to see what else they have. Because I saved a lot of money. And some of this stuff I wouldn't be able to find at Dollar Tree, you know. Oh, wait, here's the cologne. I had it buried on the couch. Duh. So that's the cologne. It is called True Gent, and it's True Gent Blue. And it is citrus, fresh basil, coconut, musk, cedarwood, and clove. That's all the ingredients there on the back. So, like, I mean, I have bottles of cologne that I've spent, you know, a ridiculous embarrassing amount of money on. So, like, for $1.99, heck yeah, and I bet I get more compliments on this than some of those other ones. All right, anyway, that is the haul. Take care so much, and hopefully you enjoyed this. Let me know if you liked this kind of a haul. And I don't know, I'm kind of excited about it. So, all right, cheers. Here's Otis's tail.